and Treasures. Today, Evelyn has a jewelry hat for you.
Yes, I do. I want to show you how to take a long necklace and turn it into a short necklace. This necklace that I have on today, this is actually a long necklace. And I wanted something short, and I wanted this particular necklace because it picks up the colors in my blouse, and so I thought that it would be a good match for today. And well, let me just show you. I'm going to show you with a different one so I can hold it in my hand how I did that. Okay, like this necklace, this is a long, and it's a little bit tangled right now. It's a long necklace, and guys, what I did was I actually put it on my neck, and I took, not in the camera, there we go. I took a safety pin and I ran it through the links on this chain. Even when it's a small link chain, if you have a small pin, one smaller than this is better. You can run it through those links and you can pin it wherever you want. I was able to do this myself, but the links on this necklace is a little bit larger for this. But if you cannot just reach behind you and do that yourself, you can turn the necklace around front, look in the mirror, and put the pin through the links, and then turn it back around and have it wherever you want. You could wear this necklace up really close like a choker, or you could leave it a little bit longer, just depending on what the cut of your blouse is and how you want it. And in doing this, it makes our jewelry more versatile, and it makes it more valuable to us because we're able to wear it in different ways and with more outfits.
And guys, as always, check out our website. It's www.chosen-treasures.com. Thank you for joining us, and we'll be back with more videos. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.